Good morning, YouTube fam. My name's Mark, and what I'm about to do today is a bike ride for those that are not getting out over the last few weeks, just to give them a little bit of experience of being outside. It's going to be a bit quick. I don't know how it's going to be. It might be a bit jerky because I haven't got a head cam or anything like that. But let's go for it. See you in the next clip. And what I'll be using today is a pedal assist 15.5 miles an hour push bike with a trailer on the back, because I'll be bringing some, where I'm going, I'll be bringing some stuff back. And here we go. First part of the journey. See what we're getting. So it ain't too jerky, but we'll see. Here we go again. Just had a problem with Google Assist. Let's go. It's quite tricky, YouTube fam. Every time we do a couple of meters, the tablet keeps stopping videoing. But we'll get there with a few edits in the video. Easier to go that way. Set. A bit more steadier. Some alarm going off. It's one of the only shops open about, apart from Iceland's over there. Speed up time. There we go. It's where it gets a bit eerie now. We're getting up to like 15.5 miles an hour. Here we go. Here we go, time to go off road now because over there, Bruce Street bridges. No, couldn't get across straight away today. Usually I'll get straight across here. There we go. Going over to the Bruce Street bridges. Right, camera down. Don't know if this person wants to be in the video. There we go, you can see it again now. Whee, pigeon! Oh, hand over the camera, sorry guys. Fast on the path though. Yeah, straight across. Ew. This weren't here the other day. Behind. There we go. It's just so nice out here. The sky is so blue. Camera stopped again, but let's go. Because I'm on a tablet and I haven't got much space to put my hand on the side of the tablet without keeping it like safe and steady without falling out of my hand. So it stopped again. There's the roundabout, people, but it's not actually that busy today. But good job I didn't go on the magic roundabout today because old Bill's just rode up there past the fire station. So let's on our journeys again. Let's move you out of the way then again. Someone else went past then, and if I put them in the video they may not like it. So putting it down again, there's someone else coming past. Right, up we go again. I don't get why this tablet keeps stopping every couple of seconds. There's going to be a few edits in this video, guaranteed. So, here we go again. That's what? Oh, that's better. That's better. Yeah, just like to say, please like the video, subscribe and share to your friends as much as you can. Because there's going to be more videos like this over the next few days. So that those who can't get out, there we go, I've got to put the camera down again. But those who can't get out and get their exercise and things like that, to give you the experience of being outside. I don't even go out every single day, not even for my hour exercise. I go out for a cleaning job and then I go straight back home and then I'm in for 2 days. Because I find going out on my push bike, usually I go a bit faster than this. Right, camera the other way. There we go. Someone else went past there. Oh, no handed again. Here we go. I just don't want too many people in the video in case they see themselves online when people see and they don't like it. So we've got workmen over here doing their job. Well, sitting down. Sitting down, gotta wait, I gotta smile. So over that way, it's getting a bit busy with people. So I'm just recording again, I just had to press record again. So I don't know what you missed there. It's getting a bit tricky, this video, because it just keeps stopping. I don't know what you're getting and what you're not getting. So when I edit this video, I'll let you know what's happening. So back up again. I don't know why it keeps stopping. It could be where I keep touching the screen on a certain point and it just stops. Right, I'll be a bit careful there because this curb jolts up a bit on this bit. So camera down again, people across here. So right, here we go again. Here we go again. There we go. There will be some more videos like this coming. I may even do another one in a bit of on the way back. So I'm nearly to my destination now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the video here. But look how quiet it is. I know there's a few cars there, but look, for a weekday, this is just because of the lockdown. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.